Ladies and gentlemen, we should start now. I think that we will see people gathering in. Now let us start the last session of today. The conference could be called a marathon. Therefore, this is the last session of the marathon. As the chairman of the last session, I want to remind all the speakers that during the last session you should make your presentations as brief as possible. Please don't make your speeches longer than 15 minutes so that we have time for questions afterwards. Or at least we have time for discussion on the topics covered. Since the previous session ended without discussion, and we are here only to share our thoughts and to share our knowledge, and we have knowledge, but we need to have a conversation or a discussion, which is a sign of interactivity, and this leads to a better understanding. Therefore, I ask dear speakers to shorten their speeches up to 15 minutes. Now, the second thing, well, the conferences, especially in Lithuanian, are sometimes used to cover different topics that are not necessarily related, and the task of a chairman is to moderate and modify all the presentations according to different topics. Therefore, the topic of this session is violation of basic human rights. We are speaking about the period after the Stalin's death, and before Stalin's death, no violations actually could be witnessed because there were no human rights at that time. But after Stalin's death, I believe this period could be analyzed in terms of violation of basic human rights.